How to make such a beautiful design very easily through Illustrator. First, I will create 2 circles with the ellipse tool. Then I will create a box through the rectangle tool. Select all and cut through Shape Builder tool. To do this, select the Shape Builder tool and hold down the Alt key to cut out the excess. Now I will copy this part. Click Reflect tool to copy. Select vertical from the reflect window and set the angle to 90 degrees. Okay, now I will make 2 shapes in one place. Copy this shape again. Click the Reflect tool again in the same way. Now select horizontal from here and set the angle to 0 degrees. Now I will copy the design that I get. Press Ctrl plus C plus F from keyboard to copy. Now I will rotate it like this. Now make a small circle in the middle of this design, which will be useful to us later. Now select the design and click the Shape Builder tool. I will take a color in the fill color. Now I will drag on the part that is needed. Now I will keep the drug part and delete the rest. Now I will color this part. Select the 2 designs and click the Rotate tool. Now hold Alt and click between the small circles. From here, keep the angle at 45 degrees and click on the Copy button. Now press Ctrl plus D to create the circle. Our design is done.